Well, hello everyone. My name is Russel Gomes and I'm the chef at the Carnival Kitchen on board the beautiful Carnival Mardi Gras. So today what I'm going to demonstrate to you is how we make the classic Carnival melting chocolate cake. It's very easy to make. Just 6 simple ingredients that we use. So basically the first ingredient is I have 4 whole eggs, and that is 6 ounces of eggs, 2 ounces of sugar, 3 ounces of flour, and then I have 2 types of chocolate that we use over here, that is the semi-sweet and the sweet chocolate. So it is basically 6 ounces of the semi-sweet chocolate and 3 ounces of sweet chocolate, and then I have 6 ounces of unsalted melted butter. We always first start by adding the 4 whole eggs, that is 6 ounces of eggs. So what I'm adding here is the eggs into the bowl. Then what I will add next is the fine grained sugar. So how much quantity? It is 2 ounces of fine grained sugar that I am adding into this. Okay, and then once I have beaten this up, then I'm adding a small quantity of flour. Now the flour that we use is just 3 ounces of flour, and why we add a small quantity is because if you add any more than this, then it will have a regular chocolate cake. In the sense, it will not be moist and runny in the center. So we add a small amount of flour just for the binding of the ingredients. Okay, so you whisk it up nicely. So you just make sure that there are no lumps in this batter. And the second step is to fold in the butter along with the chocolate. So when you do this, you need to make sure that the chocolate is warm. You will slowly start to pour this into your melting chocolate cake batter. You need to make sure that you are continuously whisking it because the chocolate is warm, right? So we do not want the eggs to start cooking as you're adding the chocolate. So please make sure that all of the chocolate is into your batter. So when I pour it, I do not pour it until the rim of the souffle cup, just a little below the rim. Okay. And then very importantly, when I am baking this, you always have to have a water bath below your souffle cup. So basically I have a tray in which I'm going to pour some water, and then I will be placing this in the ovens. The baking temperature at which I'm doing the melting chocolate cake is going to be 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to bake it for about 20 minutes. Okay, so it's very easy to make, and it's loved by everyone, especially on board the Carnival ships, since it is one of our classic desserts that we always have here. It can top up any meal of yours for any day.